Alright, let's get it. Kicking off the One Touch Wednesday with the Optichrome stack. You got 1 through 7. 1 through 7. This will all be in one video. Probably should have done that prior. Alright, let's get it. Let's check this stuff out.
Get the new iPhone 16e for $49.99. Switch. Visit your nearest Apple store.
Ink cards. Got 6 autos, 2 base. Man, look at those. Glow inserts, patch chasing. So, I'll leave. Patch is always game used. Let's do box number 1. Good luck, everybody. What are we doing here? How do they go away from taping these? Come on, man. Taping them. No thick action in there. Fillers. Ooh, thicky in there. Let's do it. Hello, guys. Jackson Taylor Pink Shimmer. The J Spa Black Jerk. Alright, so 101 Jackson. Start there. Optimus 101 Plates. That big Ray Lewis. Well, Ray Lewis, Optimus base, so the R spot calling. Oh, first auto, Fernando Mendoza. It's a green ice for the F spot. Blackjack. 410, Jonah Coleman. It's a green shimmer. J spot Colin. It's 5/6. Eldurian Dickey. It's a blue shimmer. Spot Colin. So 3/3. What's the J box? Justin Williams, blue shimmer. J Spa Blackjack. 2/7. Patch auto. Ooh, rookie relic autograph. Juju Lewis. Alright, he's getting some time this weekend. It'd be nice to see him for the J spot again. Blackjack. So 2-color patch. So you got a game. Front of this card is authentic auto and player worn. That's for the rookies like that. So 1/6. Yeah, closing out, Cade Klubnik. Yeah, good first box. For the C-Spot, Colin. Clean up right there. Sticker, no sticker ink. So club 9/10. Sure got full blackjack. Cade. CJ's on Colin. J. F. Colin, Ray Lewis, Colin Jackson Taylor. Colin taking down a full purse. It's work, brother. Good looking stuff. Right, box number 2. Yeah, those are sharp. That Juju Tempest. I like those Tempest autos too. No, fix. And another patch. Golly. My fault. Not a pleasant sound. Alright, number 2. Little Juju Lewis Tempest. The shimmer for the J-Spot Blackjack. So 101 Juju. Excited for him this weekend. Ooh, man, look at those. Battle Worn Dan Marino. Little 2-color patch. Silver Ice. So 9 of 10. Game used jersey. Oh, this is fire. Oh, Blackjack. Man, these are sick. Aquatic Tim Brown. So auto for the T-Spot Colin. Cleaning up, dude. So 101 Timmy B auto. Man, these are fire. Bo Collins. Signed by New York. The B spot. Colin. It's 3 of 4. Ooh, Bo Jackson. Another Bo Jackson? There's the R2 Bo Jacks. So for the B spot, Colin. It's a young Bo Jack. It's 2 of 3. Oh, Braden Fowler, Nicolosi, Purple Lava. Spot, Colin. So 4 of 5. Eric Singleton Jr. So 25 mock draft auto. The E spot, Johnny Pep on the board. So 5 of 10. And, ooh, Bryce Underwood. Very nice. The Optimus Purple Laser. For the B spot, Colin. Up to. So 2 of 5. Man, these look good. Let's grab some. Grab another case of hobby. 10, Johnny P. Timothy, what's up, brother? Happy hump day. 10, box number 3. Colin going ham. Muhova. Yes. Rose, what's up, brother? Happy hump day. You get some Jumbo. Jumbo's got the basketball Optichrome preview autos. Hit Giannis, Curry, Larry Bird. Two cool names. I think every box has a patch or patch auto, at least so far. Uh-oh, jumping in on the 1. Let's get it. Let's check out the new stuff. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna. They haven't dropped the checklist yet. I'll probably just do a full random until that happens. Hopefully soon though. All right, Darian Coleman, Gold Shimmer, Blackjack. So 101. And 101 plates, Isaac Tesla. And a lot of good talk about him. So the eye spots, Colin. Gold, super prismatic gold, class of 25. Number 10 quarterback. So Oscar Rios. Oh, spot, Colin. So 101 Rios. Man, these aquatics are cool. We'll find a Nemo. Dave Casper. So the D spot, Blackjack. So 101 Dave. Oh, Brady Schmiegel, class of 26. The number 8 quarterback. These are awesome. Oh, B spot, Colin, cleaning up, dude. So 4 or 5. Another Julian Juju Lewis. Yeah, big day for him this weekend. He come out and look good. The J spot, McKenzie. That's Mac. Little 2 of 5. Ooh, little Caden Prather. God, these are so sweet. Rookie relic auto. So cracked ice for the K spot Blackjack. Nice one, thick stock too. Little 10 of 10. So player worn. Okay, Colin. Ooh, duo chrome Optichrome DJ Lagway Gunner Stockton. So silver quarterback. D&G Colin taking it down, no random necessary. So 10 of 10.
There seems to be this lightness, this freeness to your game right now. How has that mindset?
Mackenzie on the board with the Juju.
I think, it allows me to not be as stressed, and that just gives me a clearer mind.
That's lovely.
Big Chuck, what's up, brother? Happy hump day.
Carolina, the longer a match seems to go, the better you seem to play. How are you physically feeling coming into tonight's quarterfinals?
Barely walking. I'm joking. I'll take it. I'm in quarterfinals. I'm happy I got through those tough battles, and I'm happy I get another match.
Right, and box number 4.
You're 2-2 in the past. What are a few things you have to keep in mind when you face her?
She's playing incredible tournaments, so I respect her level, and yeah, probably she's playing fast. So
Yeah, it's Hellman Kasuga. No patch on this one.
New York, please welcome the players for our first match. From Japan, Naomi
Osaka. Alright, so Hellman Kasuga. It's a pink laser for the H spot. Black Jack. It's a 101. And hey, who's this Bo Jackson kid? I thought there were 2 Bo Jacksons on the list. Or just one. It's a gold shimmer. What's that? A B spot Colin. So the 101 Bo Jack. NIL kid. Vincent Bo Jackson, unrelated to the famed multi-sport star. 6'1", 210, back from Clevelandsville, Angela Joseph. 2025 ESPN 300 recruit, number 136 nationally. Signed with Ohio State last year. Interesting. Well, class of 26, number 17 quarterback, Will Griffin. The W spot, Core G on the board. So 2 or 3. Man, love these aquatics. Little jellyfish shimmer. So Malachi Ziegler, the M spot, Black Jack. So 101. Yeah, Elijah Haven, class of 27. Ooh, the number 1 quarterback. Nice. What is he, Buckeye? No, that's high school uni. Nice hit for the E spot, Nick. The 1 of 7. Oh, Keegan Croucher. I wonder if he's related to big Eric Croucher. Go Big Red. The K spot, Corey G. It's 2 of 6. So Diabell, number 5 quarterback, the 26 class. So the D spot, Nick. Oh, 8 of 8. And another duo. Ooh, Jeremiah Love, Jadarian Price, double. I was gonna say Buckeye, double Fighting Irish, 3 of 4. For the J spot, Black Jack, a little PC action. That's sweet, man. It's a dual chrome orange. Jadarian, is he the other running back? Man, these boxes are loaded. Oh, Colin. Jeff, what's going on, brother? Happy hump day. Right, Keegan, Corey G, Griffin, Corey G. Those class of autos tell you what number prospect they are. Pretty cool. Corey G, Diabell, Elijah, double Nick. See, big 101 patch auto. Right, box number 5.
Everybody can make whatever they want. There's plenty to go around. Absolute game changer.
No patch on this one. Barosh. That's number 5. Oh, Greg Lloyd. So purple lava. For the G spot, Mackenzie. So 101. Oh, Joe Montana. So Tempest Ice. For the J spot, Colin. So 101 Montana. Jacoby George. So Super Prismatic Red. Signed by Carolina. For the J spot, Colin. So 101 auto. Jake Brenningstool. He's signed by Kansas City. Big Chief. The J spot, Blackjack. It's 3 of 6. Drew Miles. God, these aquatics are cool. Is that a koi fish? It's a Shimmer for the J spot. So 101. Andrew Raplaya. Somewhere around there. The A spot, Colin. 047. Colson Lovelands. Nice. So silver Optichrome. It's for the C spot, Chris. Dobers. 7 of 10. Oh, Sam Leavitz. So pink eyes Tempest for the S spot. Nice hit, Mackenzie. So 1 of 8, Sam. Mark the G spot as well. Double Mackenzie. That big Colston, Chris on the board. And then stack of Blackjack.
Osaka's starting to put that A game back together again.
It's great to see. I mean, you're right. It's been a year and a half, and she has been very frustrated, very disappointed, very
Good
emotional.
stuff. Alright, box number 6.
It just happened as soon as she got back playing, but she's had to work hard, and you know, she was known for a player that was the first strike of the ball kind of a player, liked rallies to be short, didn't like to move a lot corner to corner, and now she's coming to us open. Completely different. The fact that she's now moving corner to corner, alley to alley. She's sprinting better. She's fair. She's running down balls, and she's winning all the long rallies.
Color match, TJ. There's a patch auto in the back spot. Might be a big one. So TJ Harden blue. So the T spot, Colin. 101. Oh, Lawrence Taylor. So Optimus red ice. The L spots, Colin. So 101 LT. Ooh, Trek Kikahuna. So purple ice for the T spots, Colin. That's 2 of 5. Tyler Huff. So green lava for the T spots, Colin. 3 of 6. Eugene Wilson the third. So 2025 mock draft. Oh, mock number 14. I didn't notice this. It's for the E spot. It's Cello D. Oh, gold shimmer on the back. The 7 of 7. Dylan Gabriel. So the Tempest blue ice. So the D spot, Colin. 7 of 7. Will Howard. So the Tempest pink ice. The W spot, Colin. 1 of 8. Gold shimmer. Steve Grogan. Little Time Machines 3-color patch auto. The Edmonton Oilers. I don't think I know Steve Grogan. Those are sick though. 101 game used patch auto for the S spot, Colin. This is so cool. The Time Machines. Let me go through that one. Colin. Will, Colin, D, Colin, T, Colin, G, Colin, T. Good looking patch. Eugene Cello. box number 7. Number 8 is up. Check and see. That is filled. If we want to run it in this early sesh.
And that shows you her ball tolerance is a lot higher than before.
Let's take a gander real quick. We're down to 9 on the metal jumbo baseball. Last 8 Optichrome number 8s. We want to hit those early. Number 7. Just a regular patch.
Defensive player. Said, but I rely on my offense, but now I feel like I don't have to win the point in the first 2 or 3 shots.
Yeah, this new consistency certainly has not taken away from her power playing. But I feel when she gets behind the baseline, she's not going for shots like she used to.
All right, let's look, guys. So TJ Moore, signed by New York. It's the Gold Ice T-Spot, Brad.
Less risky.
101. Hey, oh, Gronkowski. Oh, this is so cool. So, battle worn, game used patch orange. So, 4-4. Patch, game used Gronkowski. Got him there, big Brad. Back to back. Rudolph Blaze Ingram. That's a name. Hope he's fast. For the R spot, Brad. So, 3-7. Ryan Rakowski. It's the aquatic laser. For the R spot, Brad cleaning up. So 101. Taylor L. Gersma, signed by the Packers. So blue shimmer for the T spot. Brad doing some work. So 5-7. TJ Harden. So silver shimmer ink. T spot, Brad. Nice dude. 5-10. Aaron Anderson. Look. 26 mock draft, projected number 5. The LSU Tiger looks like. So for the A spot, McKenzie. 101 Anderson. So Mac closing it out. Ooh, Ray Lewis. Yeah, very cool for the R spot, Brad. It looks on card sticker. So orange shimmer ink. So Mr. 52, 2-4 Ray. Ah, these are sick. He'll definitely be grabbing some more. Hey, cleaned up right there, Brad. That's brother. The Mac on the Anderson. Very nice, very nice. A lot of patches. All right. Closer. Last 8 middle jumbo. Last 2 on Optichrome number 8s. Last spots. Get that going. Again, guys, this will be all in one video. So if you're looking for any of them, it'll all be in one. Right, closed it up.
This match, and I'm excited. I really enjoy the early contest of these forehand-to-forehand exchanges. It's been fun to see.
Let's get number 9. Number 9 is up, and we only got 12 for right now.
Thank you, Cole. Your final 8 member yourself, former semifinalist here.
Is that where you're going after the match? Oh, I'm beelining, Chrissy. Come on.
Put it in. It's on the P spot. Guessing Jose. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, Jose got the P spots. No Patty Mahomes yet.
We're going to see some surf Phillies
major semifinals 4 times. Once
It's in number 8.
Paris. Told you looking to reach the third here.
And the pressure is on Naomi in this match, as we've seen a couple of
Patch
errors
auto.
early in this first set, but against Coco, the pressure was all on Coco being the higher seed. Naomi the underdog, but different situation in this match. I mean, to me,
Alright, so Braden Dorman. It's a red color match. The B spot calling. 1-1. It always starts with the 1-1. Cool. Well, Fernando Mendoza. The F spot calling. So back-to-back 1-1s. Little Darian Williams, Green Lava. The D spot calling. So 3-6. Devin Dampier. So Pink Ice. Pink Ice spot calling. So 8 of 8. This is the D box. Dylan Jones. Another D for you, Colin. 2 of 7. Well, Elijah Spencer, Pink Ice. So the E spot, Colin. 8 of 8. And another patch. So Gunnar Helm with a rookie relic autograph. So cracked ice for the G spots, Colin. Middle player worn. 2 of 3. Cam Scattaboo. So cracked ice Tempest auto. Well, for the C spot, Blackjack cleaning it up. So 1-1 scat. Oh, scat man. Scat pack. Not too shabby. Right, so we got 9. So last 9 on number 9. I'll marinate for about 30-45 seconds. We get it, if we can get it low. If not, we'll jump back into packs. Get the paction rolling.
Osaka was really dominated on hard court, and they split those two. Then one of the matches was on clay, which Mahova won, but all 4 of their matches have been close. The one in straight sets.
The group's working. Live Golf. Archive Sigs at 20. Last 8. Metal Jumbo Baseball. We got last 2 boxes of that. Authentic. Glory of the Game Football. Clear Cut Hockey. Double box. Cheap. $5.99. Fresh breaks. Impeccable Baseball. Got a 3-box full case. Working 60 a team. Got a 20 spot filler top 5 getting in. $15.99. Natty Gem VIP box. 101 Gem Auto chasing. Getting close. 17 directs. 1 filler down to 12. Little gold 10 pack. Jerseys. Prism Football Retail. Let's see. Any more movement? Alright, still nice. We'll save that for later. Yeah, so Optichrome 1 through 8. That'll be all